Okay, lesson 2.4 today is going to convert imperial units to metric units. Okay, so first question, how wide is the soccer net in meters when it is 24 feet? So we're going to start with making a ratio. So 24 feet is what I have, and I want to know how many meters that is. I'm going to use some given information here. I know that 1 foot is equivalent to 0.31 meters. Okay, so once I have that set up, I know that I could cross multiply, which means multiply the ones across from each other and divide by the other one. But I don't need to divide by 1 because it doesn't do anything mathematically. So 24 times 0.31 gives you 7.44 meters. Okay, and it's good to think about a visual of, does this answer make sense? Number 2, Al drove to from Edmonton to Regina, a distance of 436 miles. What is the distance in kilometers? So again, this is what I have. Remember that MI should be used for miles because M is used for meters, so don't get those confused. 436 miles is how many kilometers? What do I know? I know with miles in kilometers, I know 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometers. You can see in my ratio here that on the left side I keep the miles and on the right I keep my kilometers, because if I was to switch those in order it would give me the incorrect answer. So cross multiplying states that I should multiply those two and divide by that one, which again I don't need to do. So 436 is equal to 701.96 kilometers. Okay, the last question. Andrea is 5'7". What is her height in centimeters? Okay, this is that tricky conversion because there's feet and inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this all to inches. So 5 feet, we remembered that we would times that by 12, and that would end up being 60 inches. Then we also have that 7, so altogether she is 67 inches. I want to know how many centimeters that is, and again, going back to the conversions, you have that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So now I can use this as my multiplication. 67 times 2.54, and you would end up with 170.18 centimeters. Okay, it's time to complete lesson 2.4.